The Stoic Shakedown is your source of ancient wisdom for modern life. Subscribe for weekly videos on Stoic history, theory, and application, and follow us on Instagram and Twitter. In this video, we examine the life and times of the Roman Stoic Musonius Rufus. Musonius Rufus was born in Volsinii, Etruria, during the reign of Emperor Tiberius. His life was marked by considerable political turmoil, witnessing the reigns of multiple emperors such as Caligula, Claudius, Nero, and Vespasian. In this period, the Roman Empire experienced significant social, political, and economic changes, which laid the groundwork for the rise of Stoicism as a philosophical response to the challenging times. Musonius was a contemporary of other notable Stoic philosophers such as Seneca and Epictetus, whose works have eclipsed his own in popularity. Nevertheless, Musonius' reputation as a philosopher and teacher was well respected during his time, with Epictetus even referring to him as the Roman Socrates. Although most of Musonius Rufus' works have been lost, some of his teachings have been preserved in the form of quotes and fragments. These provide valuable insights into his philosophical views and their practical applications. If one accomplishes some good though with toil, the toil passes, but the good remains. If one does something dishonorable with pleasure, the pleasure passes, but the dishonor remains. This quote highlights the Stoic emphasis on virtue and the pursuit of a meaningful life, even in the face of adversity. The temporary nature of hardships is contrasted with the lasting value of virtuous actions. It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more, that is poor. This quote reflects the Stoic principle of self-sufficiency and the idea that true wealth lies in being content with what one has, rather than constantly desiring more. We should not practice anything except what we can practice even when others are watching. Musonius emphasizes the importance of integrity, encouraging individuals to act in accordance with their values regardless of the presence or absence of external observers. Musonius Rufus' contributions to Stoicism are manifold, impacting both the theory and practice of the philosophy. Some of his most notable contributions include: emphasis on practical application. Musonius was renowned for his focus on the practical application of Stoic principles in everyday life. He urged his students to embody the virtues of wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance and apply them to the challenges they faced. Gender equality. Musonius was a strong advocate for gender equality, arguing that both men and women had the capacity for virtue and wisdom. He insisted on the importance of educating women, a radical idea at the time, and encouraged women to participate in philosophical discussions and pursuits. Vegetarianism. Musonius promoted a simple, frugal lifestyle that included vegetarianism. He believed that abstaining from meat was conducive to a virtuous life and demonstrated self-discipline, a key tenet of Stoicism. Musonius Rufus stands as a significant figure in the history of Stoicism, not only for his philosophical insights but also for his practical approach to applying Stoic principles in daily life. His teachings have endured through fragments and quotes that showcase his wisdom, compassion, and commitment to virtue. In the turbulent historical context of the Roman Empire, Musonius Rufus emerged as a beacon of hope and guidance for those seeking to navigate the challenges of their time. His advocacy for gender equality, promotion of a simple and frugal lifestyle, and emphasis on the practical application of Stoic principles have left an indelible mark on the Stoic tradition. As we reflect on the life and times of Musonius Rufus, we can draw inspiration from his unwavering commitment to the pursuit of wisdom and virtue, even in the face of adversity. His teachings serve as a reminder that the true value of philosophy lies in its ability to guide and transform our lives, enabling us to cultivate resilience, inner peace, and a deeper understanding of our place in the world. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow Stoic Shakedown on Instagram and Twitter. See you next time.